RMIT is an international university servicing both the higher education and vocational education space with about 80,000 students. We're based across Melbourne, also into Vietnam and Barcelona, and we have various partnerships across Asia.
Our relationship with NTT began a number of years ago now, where the university had a challenge. It was looking for facilities to host its infrastructure. The growing needs and the demands that we had on campus allowed us to go to market, and we engaged with NTT as a provider of data center facilities for us.
The opportunity that we really have in the partnership with NTT is starting from a basis of trust and being able to build out on some of the core capabilities that were required, specifically around the area of the data center where we've commenced from. In building that out and the organisations getting to know each other, that then really provides an opportunity for NTT to start to become exposed to more of what RMIT is about, and RMIT to get to know NTT.
Our data centre spaces that we had in our campuses in Australia were really restricting our ability to grow. So partnering together with NTT has given us the opportunity not only state-of-the-art data centre services, but also security, resilience, highly available environments that enable us to grow. Cloud is definitely on our roadmap. For us, what does that mean? It's providing that seamless single experience to our students, no matter where they are. We have 40,000 students using our cloud-based services for education and studies. Just on that alone, that's a 40% uptake from where we were last year. So moving into cloud, moving into AWS and being able to offer those services really does give us that elasticity of being able to turn on compute, turn on processing as and when required. The challenge that we were looking at in Vietnam was our disaster recovery capability. Whilst it was fit for purpose once upon a time, the growing changes and the evolution of what we were offering out in Vietnam meant that we needed a bigger space. Partnering with NTT allowed us to bring on expertise and that global management, project management capability that enabled the data center service of the facilities to be stood up reasonably quickly. NTT has some very strong relationships globally within the networking space, as well as leading technology providers. So working closely with NTT, we didn't have to look anywhere else for our connectivity requirements into AWS. And also we'd be looking at extending that once we start deploying some of those services into Vietnam as well. So once again, being able to leverage NTT and its partnerships does bring us that true return on investment or rapid deployment, and that's really the key message that I want to convey here.